hydrogen chloride sensor and accessories. Open the back of the fume extractor. Hydrogen chloride sensor installation location. First, remove the multifunctional air quality sensor. Secure the hydrogen chloride sensor wire into the machine. Thread the wire through the wire hole. Reinstall the multifunctional air quality sensor. Install the hydrogen chloride sensor base. Then, install the hydrogen chloride sensor onto the base. Install the back panel of the fume extractor. Open the front door of the fume extractor. Remove the electrical sealing plate. The wire that came through is here. Take out the appropriate length of wire. Tighten the wire sleeve. Open the circuit board. Install the wires in the order of 12 volts, 0 volts, A1, A2. Reinstall the circuit board. Reinstall the electrical sealing plate. Lock the fume extractor door. Connect the power supply and turn on the fume extractor screen. Click Settings. Click Parameter Settings. Enter the system password. Click Next page. Select hydrogen chloride. Click Save. The sensor is now ready to use.